Hi, April here from Piano Lessons Info. Here's another scale for you. This time we've got our G scale. So the key of G has one sharp, F sharp. So when you play the G scale, you need to play F sharp, not F. Okay, so we can use the same basic fingering we use for most scales for the G scale. So G scale starts on G. So we're going to go G, A, B, one on C, D, E, and so F sharp, back to G. Okay, so the trick now is remembering your F sharp. So in the left hand, we're going to go G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Okay, that is your G scale. Key of G has F sharp, one sharp. Okay, so that's what we want to remember from this one.